In this lesson, we are going to talk about getting ready for the Advanced Sheet Metal Certification exam. The getting ready tips discussed here can be used for any of the Solidworks certification exams. Because the exam is a non-proctored online exam, you can take the exam at any location of your choice, whether it be your home or workplace. The main thing you are looking for in a testing location is a distraction-free testing environment. The Advanced Sheet Metal Certification exam can be taken with Solidworks version 2011 or later. Using a version before 2011 will result in not being able to open some of the testing files provided to you from the testing site. If you don't have Solidworks 2011 or later, you can contact your reseller for an evaluation copy. Since the exam is online, you will need a stable internet connection for the entire length of the test, which is 90 minutes for the Advanced Sheet Metal Certification exam. As far as computers, the ideal CAD workstation for this exam is one with 2 monitors. The main monitor will be for Solidworks, while the second monitor will be used for the testing software. If you don't have a dual monitor setup, you can use 2 separate computers. For example, a desktop computer and a laptop. If your Solidworks software is on a desktop, the testing software will be open on the laptop. It is only the testing software that requires an internet connection. If you don't have access to a dual monitor workstation or 2 computers, you can toggle back and forth between Solidworks and the testing software. For many years in my classroom, my students did just fine with the Alt-Tab keystroke. However, the ideal setup for taking a Solidworks certification exam is a dual monitor workstation. Now, let's take a look at downloading the testing software. We need to go to the virtualtester.com/SolidWorks website. And once we're at the website, we want to download the Tester Pro client software. So I'm going to go ahead and click, run the software, agree to the license, of course after you read it, and then install. I'll select Finish. I am now going to minimize this screen, and you see we have a Tangix folder on the desktop. I'll open it, and to run the testing software, you simply need to double-click on Tangix Tester Pro. Now once you open the testing software, you will be prompted for a language, and then you will be prompted with a screen to register with the testing site, if you haven't done so already. During the registration process, you will receive a password from Tangix. Make sure you write this password down and keep it in a safe place. You will need this password each time you log into Tangix to take a certification exam. The last item to discuss is how to purchase the Advanced Sheet Metal exam. So let's go to the Solidworks website, and then go to Support, and then Certification. I am going to scroll down to Sheet Metal. I'll select it. And notice we can purchase the exam here. Now before you purchase, you do want to check your subscription service. You may have a free voucher or a free coupon for the Sheet Metal Certification exam. If not, then you will need to purchase one. A web page opens showing me the various exams I can purchase, and I am looking for the sheet metal exam. And here you see it at a cost of $19.95. Now you can pay for this exam via PayPal or a major credit card. Once you purchase the exam, you will receive an email with the voucher code, and this voucher will be used the day that you take the exam to gain entry to the Advanced Sheet Metal exam.